Today, I'll be talking about 7 mindsets you need to succeed as a programmer or a data scientist. You know, it's all about your mindset. You either win or succeed with the right mindset. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Promise AK, and on this channel we talk about data sciences, machine learning, artificial intelligence, or any other technological advancement that would come up in the future. If this is your first time clicking on this channel or seeing this beautiful face, you're so welcome to the channel. And if you're interested in what we're going to talk about, don't forget to click on the subscribe button or on the notification bell so that you're updated whenever I post any new video. Don't forget to like, share to your friends, your colleague, or anybody you think can benefit from this content. Today I'll be talking about 7 mindsets you need to succeed as a programmer or a data scientist. You know, it's all about your mindset. You either win or succeed with the right mindset. And with the right mindset, you can never lose or fail. You either practice what you've learned or learn what you need to practice. The right mindset can take you as far as you want to go. With that being said, let's dive into the video for today. The first mindset we'll be talking about today is coding is not difficult. I think I need to take that slowly. Coding is not difficult. It is not hard. So I know a lot of people have reached that promise. I don't think I can code. Coding is difficult, or I don't know mathematics. I don't like mathematics. Yeah, while it's true that data sciences coding is built around mathematics, you don't need advanced mathematics to succeed as a good programmer. You need some level of mathematics, yeah, but you don't need complex mathematics. If you could do the basic addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, trust me, you can really do data sciences. It's not difficult. It's just getting the right information and knowing how to go about that. And that's why I'm here, to help you to navigate through this process so that it doesn't seem like it's difficult. But trust me, it's as easy as anything. It's as easy as ABC. You just need to get the right information. So I need you to repeat that to yourself and just take a deep breath. Call your name and repeat after me. Promise, coding is not difficult. And if you could say that to yourself like 3 times, I bet you feel good and you'll be ready to start immediately. So know that coding is not difficult. Programming is not hard. The second mindset you need is coding is a lifelong process. As it is with learning, you never stop learning. Same with coding, you never stop coding or learning how to code. You learn every day. Every day presents new things for you to learn, and the more you code, the more you learn, basically. So you never get to that point where you think that, okay, I know everything about coding, or basically even the best programmers still learn new things. So you know that you're going to learn every day, and you learn continuously as you work your way up. And the third mindset you need to have to succeed as a programmer is that you don't need to know everything to program. Basically, you don't need to, I know a lot of people want to, I must learn everything before I start. That's a wrong mindset. It's like wanting to learn English language and you go pick up your dictionary, Oxford dictionary, and say, okay, I must learn every word in the dictionary before I can start coding, or I can start speaking English, for example. Bet me, you only use about 30% of the words in the dictionary. Over, let's say, 50% of words in the dictionary you may never use in your lifetime. It's the same thing with programming. There are lots of documentations for different languages, for different libraries. You don't need to know everything about it to start. The information you have is enough to start, because most of the things you might go to, most of those documentation, you may never use them till you stop programming or till you die, basically. So what I'm trying to say is, whatever information you have is enough to start. So what are you waiting for? why are you still contemplating? Just start already. Whatever you like, no matter, no information is too small. So wherever you are is your starting point, and it's only upwards from there. So start with the seemingly little information you think you have. Trust me, is enough to start already.